You'll never survive. It's dangerous by day.
But it's even worse at night.
Plus, the guy is a lunatic. What?
You mean Buck? Oh, he's a wacko.
I am not. Totally bonkers. And his feet smell. Shut up! You shut up! Oh, you little scut! He's strangling his own foot. Shouldn't we get moving? What? And give Rudy a midnight snack? Not likely. The skull's right. Take a load up, Nose. We'll camp here. Now, who's hungry? I am. You don't need the calories. Here I was. My back against the wall. Nowhere. Perched on the razor's edge of oblivion. Staring into the eye of the great white beast.
Were you killed?
Sadly, yes. But I lived. Oh. Never had I felt so alive, but when I was so close to death. Just before Rudy could suck me out of his gullet, I grabbed hold of that gross, pink, fleshy thing that dangled from the back of the throat. I hung onto that sucker, and I swung back, forth, back, forth, back, forth, back, forth, back. And forth and back and forth until finally I let go and I shot right out of his mouth. I may have lost an eye that day, but I got this.
Rudy's tooth. Dang.
It's like the old saying, an eye for a tooth, a nose for a chin, a butt for... Well, it's an old saying, but it's not a very good one. You are...
Super 4, Ultra 4, Diesel 4.
Ha ha!
Careful.
Oh, that is nasty. Now, let me tell you about the time I used a sharpened clamshell to turn a T-Rex into a T-Rachel.
Yes, mister.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's enough fairy tales for one night. Come on, Ellie. You should rest now.
Life is a party.
All right, you guys get some shut-eye. I'll keep watch.
Don't worry, Buck. We got this. Nighttime is possum time. Yeah, we own the night, baby.
Good night, Rudy.
Wait, what about me? Sleep well, kids. You have a busy day tomorrow. Foraging, hunting. Missing my friends. Probably aren't missing me. Huh? Oh, you're a real softie, you know that? Manny? Are you okay?
I'm sorry. I just wanted to keep you safe, and now you're in the most dangerous place in the world.
Hey, this isn't your fault. It's bigger than both of us. We have to get safe.
Yeah, but if I had been a better friend to him, he wouldn't be here.
Better friend? Are you plucking my whiskers? You risked your life, your mate, and your baby to save your buddy. Not the best husband or father, but a darn good friend.
Good night.